on YouTube as a creator will help you grow your audience and subscribers. How posting on YouTube as a small creator will help you grow your audience and subscribers. It is very important to know that as a small creator, if you want to grow money and have dollars in the future or have a lot of money flowing on your bank account, it is very important to know that you start uploading now and posting on YouTube as early as possible. Please keep posting even if there is no views. Yes, keep posting your videos, your shorts, your comedies, your movies, and in the future, you never know, your bank account will start flowing a lot of money. Yes, don't hesitate or listen to other people. Keep posting and be consistent. Even if it's not every day, be skipping 2 to 3 days or 1 day so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend your videos to the right people. Yes, and the audience will keep increasing on your channel. Yes, it is very important to know when you keep posting, the audience will keep increasing on your YouTube. If you see like mine, like this one, yes, the views increased from 0 to 73,000 audience. Even subscribers are keeping increasing now and then. Yes, you keep increasing. Yes, in the future you will get a lot of money, you will get a lot of audience, you will get a lot of subscribers, and you will be surprised that you are becoming a good YouTuber or a great YouTuber as you want. If you keep posting, don't lose hope or be consistent and don't look your views. Keep posting a best videos. In posting on your YouTube channel, it is very important to know that you will grow your audience. If you are posting in the morning, maybe at 8 a.m., keep posting on 8 a.m. or where you will see where maybe you see the purplish, where there is purplish. That is the place where your audience keep watching your videos. Yes, where people keep watching your videos, like this one. Yes, keep posting on that time, keep posting now, today, tomorrow. Yes, and the audience will increase with the numbers. Yes, you never go back, because when you post something, people are waiting to hear what you are saying now, and the audience keep increasing. Yes, please subscribe on my channel. I'm Triza, and you are able to know more about how to grow on YouTube channel, and you will go far. Or when you listen, please complete and watch the others about the playlist, about the how to get watch time hours on other videos, and you keep growing. Content creator, you have to keep posting. Create a playlist on your channel. When you create a playlist, when people are, or when your audience enter on your channel, there is a flow. If it's about entertainment, there is a flow. If it's another videos, there is a flow. In every playlist there is a flow, because you have a playlist keep your channel organized. I have talked about playlist in other videos. Please go and watch, and you learn a lot about the playlist. If you don't know how to create, I have posted a video about creating about playlist, and everything will be okay. Yes, create a playlist on your channel and everything will be okay. Yes, please subscribe on my channel, and may God bless you.